Yeah, you know it's the girl fire that me I say ever blazing. Judges, Miss Kitty, big up yourself. I'm so in love with you, and no matter what they say I do, my days are cold, whoa, 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 when I'm not with you. But when you're around me, I am renew. Him say him love me cause me make him feel a kind of way. And furthermore, him say feeling up any time of day. Because me know if he make him bust it like a China key. And him straight, him never stray from me no time no day. And me say no matter the cost, me have to find a way. Forget that big tick, bamboo they fi climb a way. And me never ever give it up when he's away. Me never afraid to tell no guy no way. So in love, yeah, I'm with you. And no matter what they say I do, my days are cold, whoa, 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 boy, when I'm not. But when you're around me, I am renewed. All
right. Fire red. Since you're so in love, tell me 3 qualities you love in a man.
Personality, career, and the feelings them have for a woman.
All right. Okay, scatter, judges. All right.
Okay. Yo, I ain't hearing stuff. I hear. Yeah. Yes. Wow. That was very refreshing. I tell you, Magnum turn up that season and start because she come out and sing. And our DJ voice stand out same way. Multifaceted, right? Faceted, yes. That's another Miss Kitty one, yeah. Very, very good. Keep it up, baby. Nice.
All right, Miss Kitty.
Well, we're not telling like, girl, from you come out to your red shoes, your red belt, your red ear, your red eyebrow. Because the meditative eyebrow like eyebrow. You come stormy and steamy. I like that song there. Because as a woman, normally the man I put the argument to me. You understand what I say? And that song they make a man know say, yo, I want you know. I go, oh, you know. I want to put it for you like white pan rice, you know, my general. So just stand up right there, say, you know. Because I'm so in love. And then let's go tonight. I liked the diversity. I like the texture in your voice. I'm just like your vibe, you know what I mean? You come out the real way. Dancehall talent, and I really like that. So again, work on your breathing. Connect to him, come and see the man. I look at you and say, girl, the youth are praying him in a red shirt. Reach out for him now. Call him, you know. If him woman, she's lucky, she's not there. Yeah, son. Because we're so in love. Mad tune. Good job, darling.
Thanks, judges.